Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows on GIGABYTE G7. In order to update Windows, you should get to the settings. Then find Windows Update and download and install all. In case needed, you need to first click on check for updates, and if there are any, you can download and install them. And installing updates is very important to make your laptop run securely, smoothly, and have the newest features. And once they are downloaded, they will start installing. During that whole process, you can still continue on using your laptop, but later on you may be prompted about some updates needing to restart your laptop in order to get applied. So what I highly recommend is waiting until all the updates get installed, and after that selecting the option to reboot your laptop. So you just don't need to reboot that several times. Just wait until everything gets installed and then reboot. And you'll probably get a notification about it. You'll also see it here, and you'll be able to either reboot it now or schedule a reboot. And also in the Windows, once you click on the Start button, then the power icon, you'll see probably a restart or restart and update. So the restart and update will apply the updates in the meantime. And now I'm gonna wait until all of them or almost all of them get downloaded and installed. Then if any of them requires me to reboot, I'm gonna show you that. But I think I'm not gonna wait for some of them, because I know that some of them take long time and I don't want to wait that long. So, okay, I'm not gonna wait until the last one gets downloaded. I'm just gonna restart it now. And this is how the restart goes. After everything gets completed, it'll just go into the system. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.